Hi, my name is Scott, founder of Coastal Conversions here in Hampstead, Maryland, and today we're going to be showing you a tour of our latest build from a client that brought their van to us from Denver, Colorado. Let's check it out. One thing I really like about this build is the electrical system is all controlled by your phone, which we'll touch base on a little later, but you can turn the lights on from an app on your phone from outside the van. First thing I'd like to point out about this van is the bug screen system we have from Rolef. We think this is one of the better bug screen systems out there. So what's nice about this, can keep the bugs out, the dogs in, and it also has this magnetic strip so you can go in and out with ease. One thing I like about this is this side door of the screen that allows you to still have access to your fold up table that you can use to enjoy cocktails, food, coffee while you're outside. Get the side of your way, simply roll it up. Good to go. This van is equipped with the RedArc Total Vehicle Management System. We're a big fan of this system. This can control everything from your solar, DC to DC charger, your lights on the inside, your refrigerator if you want to turn it off if you like. It also has temperature sensors on the gray water tank, so when it gets below a certain temperature, the heating pads on that gray water tank will automatically kick on. Another great thing about this system is, like I said earlier, you can control everything with your phone. So if you want to empty your gray water tank, you can do it with a touch of a button on the RedArc app. So we're a huge fan of the RedArc system. The lighting in this van is in 3 different phases. So you have your ceiling lights, underneath your cabinet lights, and then you have your above cabinets and then the toe kick lights as well. We also installed Copima swivel bases on both the driver and passenger side. We have the butcherblock Lagun table. We also have this nice custom bench. The nice thing about this is all the storage we have underneath. Pots, pans, boots, food. We have the Webasto Evo 40 heater installed. We are an authorized dealer and installer for Webasto, so we love using their systems. We decided to put the heater underneath the passenger seat to keep it out of the way of everything. And as you'll notice, we also encase the seats with shiplap. We have our hot water tank. So whenever you want to take a shower, you hit this switch, it'll heat up the water. Takes about 10-15 minutes. Have a nice pre-finished on the inside custom cabinet with shaker doors throughout the van. Here you have your MaxxAir fan deluxe with a remote control system. This has 10 speeds of both intake and exhaust. We put this on every van basically. Moving over to the Galley, we have a 2-burner induction stovetop, the nice butcherblock countertop. We have the nice black quartz sink with the faucet, which I like, that reaches outside the van in case you need to rinse off shoes or whatnot outside the van. We have the butcherblock counter extension. This is rated up to 500 pounds. Gives you plenty of counter space when you're doing your cooking. One of my favorite things about the Galley is this pull-out cabinet for food, spices. I think it's a great use of space in the kitchen. Upper cabinet here, all with shaker doors. Upper cabinets throughout. So plenty storage in this van. We also have 2 more cabinets on this side. Here we have your gray water tank system in the kitchen with the water filtration system. Lower custom cabinets, all with the shaker doors as well. So plenty of space for storage here. There's also, moving back, you have your refrigerator / freezer. Back here we have another big cabinet space. So this has plenty of storage in this van. Here we have our custom mattress. This is just about a queen size. One thing we do in all of our vans is we place this mold resistant mat. So this prevents any mold from getting on the bed. Moving on to the shower system. The client wanted subway tile, so we did the white subway tile here with a light gray grout and tied that in with the subway tile in the Galley. You have your shower, your Delta shower head with 7 different settings, as well as a pause button. So when you want to save your water, you're lathering your hair, washing your hair, you can hit that pause button to stop the water flow. The unique thing about this shower is the hidden toilet system, so that you're not sharing your shower with a toilet. It's hidden away. You pull it out when you want to use it, and tuck it back in when you're done. So let's head on back to the garage and the outside features. Moving on to the outside, we have your shore power plug in right here. So anytime you want to plug in a shore power. On this van, we also installed an Aluminess ladder and roof deck system. We also have 400 watts of solar panels up there. We also installed motion windows, both windows on the sides and on the side door that are all vented. Moving on to the garage. So here we have your water system. We have a 30-gallon custom water tank that hugs against the wheel well to save space in the garage. You have your gravity fill, your city fill with your air vent. If you want to access your water tank, your water pump for any reason, we made this door so that you could access everything. Over here, we have our electrical system. This van has 400 amp hours of Battleborn batteries. These are actually heated batteries. Our clients live in Colorado. They're in cold temperatures. When the temperature gets below, I believe it's 34 degrees, the heat system will make sure those batteries stay heated so they can stay charging. We also have a 3,000 watt inverter charger from Victron and the Red Arc total vehicle management system. Here you have your on-off switch for the entire electrical system in the van. We also have a 110 plug and your garage lights. We also did a 500-pound rated pull-out drawer that locks when it's fully extended. Also have the reading lights on both sides with USB ports. As I mentioned earlier, you can control all that with your app on the phone if you want to turn those on and off, as well as the lights. Also, we have the hooks up here. If you want to hang anything, just something convenient to have. The bug screen system in the back. What's nice about this, if you're hanging out at a campground or whatnot, you still want to have access to your van or your garage, you can roll this up. And then you still have access to your garage for anything you need. Thanks for watching this video. Please follow our social media. If you have any questions about this build, or if you'd like us to build a conversion van for you, or if you'd like us to do a mobile business, please reach out. All of the info will be listed below. Safe travels.